Yep, our female cockatiel.
Look at her. With your face.
Our female cockatiel will let men pet her.
She's taking the picture.
Thank you very much.
She's not biting, she's loving.
Take it, Nolan.
Yeah.
Take it.
Mom, I'm on video.
Oh, sorry.
And we heard all of you.
Yeah, for some reason she'll let... Yep, for some reason she'll just let men pet her, not women.
Thank you very much, and we look forward to hearing your testimony.
She likes humans more than the male cockatiel that we have.
She doesn't like girls.
Vice Chairman, Chairless, members of the committee, I am honored to appear before you today.
Oh yeah, Dad, wouldn't you just leave your hand like that, and then she'll just crawl up to it?
Yeah.
You should try it.
Well, I give her like a cave, and if she wants to be petted, she walks into it, then I love her.
So cute.
Yeah.
So how do you do it? Do you use 2 hands or 1 hand?
She just oh.
There you go.
So, can you see her?
I could see her perfectly.
Can you see her head?
No, not really. It's buried into your hand.
I want to come too. I want to be like, keep looking.
Stupid bird.
Hold on. No, wait. Stop.
How could she like humans more than an actual bird, like her mate?
She's trying. And then she gets all mad at me.
Yeah, when you try to take her back to the kid, she'll have a fit.
Here we did.
Oh, that's... Hey, don't touch me, Spot. There you go.
Grab my
Aww.
head and my head. Oh.
For some reason she... Alright, thank you. She just is so comfortable on you. Oh, got that. She loves you. Yeah, when you try to take her back, look at this. That's her fit.
I'm gonna go in the back and get the last bit of, you know what, the trap.
Here, walk on down.
Yep, walking back on Dad. See, when she refuses to get into the cage, she'll just walk on you. Alright, Dad, thank you.